Hi everyone. So today I'll show you a powerful alternative, Affinity, that will give you a pro level tools without a paid or fee or subscription. So today we are going to explore one of the most powerful alternative to Adobe Creative's tool that is called Affinity software. Affinity offers a complete suite of professional application including Affinity Photo, Affinity Designer, and Affinity Publisher, designed for photo editing, graphic design, and publishing. Unlike Adobe, Affinity follow one-time purchase model, meaning you don't need to pay monthly subscription to access professional grade tool. Basically, so earlier it was paid. So currently, it's available free of cost. It's not open source, but it's available free of course. So, what makes Affinity stand out is its high performance, clean interface, and powerful feature that rival industry standard software, making it great choice for designer, photographers, and content creators. So, in this video, we will explore its key features, performance, usability, and whether it's worth using in 2026 or not. So, if you are looking for a cost-effective and professional creative solution, this video is for you. So let's get started. Uh,
Okay, so let's explore the website first. So basically, Affinity.studio is the website name. You can see it here, Affinity dot studio, and we'll explore this software. So Creative Freedom, that's actually free. So now it's free. You can download it and try it. So all the design and photo editing tools you need in one app for free. Download Affinity now on Mac or Windows. Sign up to download Affinity Canva. So it is basically bought by Canva now. So this is the website link. You can come here and explore all its feature. If you need any help, you can explore this website. So what I'll do, I'll download this and we'll explore like how is it, what are the options. Okay, so get Affinity I have just clicked. So let's see. So this is a good website. See, they have designed it well. So if you don't like this motion, okay, this is free. So we have to sign up first. So I can do it through my email ID. That's simple. You can use any one of your email ID to sign it. Contact your account owner, ID engine assistant, please contact over fine. So I think this email ID is not working. So what I'll do, I'll continue with any other email. Okay. So that's what I'll do. Get Affinity, sign up for free, continue with Google. I have another email ID. I'll try with this. Continue. This should work. There's some issue with the other email. So basically, I have Windows, so I'll download it for Windows. So I'll choose the first option, Intel and AMD. So these are the options available. So Window Enterprise. So these are different versions. If you have Mac, you can um, use this link to download. So basically, it's starting downloading now. Start downloading now. So I'll put it in my download folder, save. So we'll see how much space it is. So basically it's 623 MB. Okay. So let's let it finish. So if you have good internet speed, it should download within minutes. So it's downloaded now. Let's install it. Install it. So I'm not sure why it's saying that. Internet application something. Okay. Fine. So it is installed now and it is starting. So basically it's on like Canva. I'll sign in by okay with the same email ID. So you have to first you have to sign in for downloading it. Once you download it, and when you open it, you just have to choose the same email ID which you have chosen for downloading, and it will log in. It should work now. Let's wait for it. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's open another tab. Continue. Open Affinity. Okay, fine. So it's signed in. Open Affinity. Signed in. So basically, signed in. It took some time, basically. So this is how the interface looks. Hope you will see. Okay. This is just a video. You can find it on YouTube. So I'll skip it for now. I agree to share my user data. I don't want to share it now. Continue watch tutorial. Start creating. Okay. So this is how the interface looks. Okay. This is welcome screen. I'll close this. So basically three modes are there. If you can see: vector, pixel, layout, and Canva AI. Okay. So let's start the vector file, new, any one of these you can select. Let's choose any one of the size. Suppose I want A4. Okay, fine. Create document. Okay, fine. So this is move tool. This is artboard tool. See, I have not never worked on this, so I am working first time. So this is to like change the size, this is node tool. Let's see. See, I'm just trying. I have never worked on it, so maybe I'll have to work for some time to explain the functionality. This is corner tool. This is controller tool. This is pen tool. Okay, something. I'm not sure. Just okay, fine. So this is fill tool. Look, this is good option. So basically, you can for vector kind of image editing, you can use this. Okay. Okay. So vector, you can change some color. Okay. This is a text tool. You can put some. I think I have. Okay, so this is basically if you want to design, if you're a vector designer or you want to create some images, uh, so you can use this one, vector crop tool. You can crop this. You can do a lot of things in here. So if you would have worked on similar kind of tools, you may understand it better. So I'm working on this first time. So that's why you can edit it somehow. Something in there. So sorry for like. So I'm just doing with the functionality. Okay. Okay. So this is vector. This is pixel. Crop tool. Open selection tool. I am going to pixel. Select all. Delete. And this is fill tool. Okay. Object selection. Adjust brush tool. Okay. So this is brush. You can. There must be. Meter brush tool. On. Rectangle artistic tool. Same thing. Banner. Okay, fine. Layout. Tools, table. So if you want to create some layout like website layout or any news publishing thing, you can use this one. Fill tool. Okay, this without, and you have Canva AI. So well, so basically you can view some tutorial on this if you want to. I just wanted to show you how it works. Okay, so basically for this AI option, you have to have its paid version. Okay, file new document pages file new. Okay, studios pixel. Okay, pixel. Okay, options are there. Here you can create objects with, so this is brush, this is brush. Okay, so hopefully you must have got some idea about the software. Let's create new A4, create document. I want to do pixel. Okay, okay, I think I have to choose the color. So color. Okay, cancel tool. So you can add these tools here if you want. So advanced. If you have many menu bars over here, so tools. Okay, fine. So let's pencil tool. See, okay. So this you can use. I'm not very good at painting. Okay. So likewise, you can use this. Okay. So this is all about the software. So I may give a try. I may give a try. I may give a try. Then I'll like maybe I'll create a video on working on this later. So this is what I wanted to show you. So you can. Uh, this is a good lightweight software. If you are if you don't want to use paid software for these things, anyhow there are GIMP or GIMP available, which is like kind of open source software. For vector, there is another software which is available, but this is giving you all three in a single package, so you can go and try it if you like it. So use it. So hope you have got some idea about the software. So thanks for watching. If you like it, please do subscribe, comment your feedbacks. Uh, if you don't like it, please let me know. Uh, I'll try to make it better. And let me know in comments what you want to see more on any other software or you want to install. So I'll make video on those things. So thank you. Bye. Take care. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye.